Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we have DeepBrain AI and we are gonna test it out how it works. It is a text to video AI video generator, so we are gonna test it out and find out how it's gonna work for us and how much it's useful for our working online or whatever etc we are gonna use it for. Okay, and let's see how we can do this. Stay with us. Okay, let's go to DeepBrain AI to test it. DeepBrain AI. And here you can see the pricing. And come back, create a free video. No credit card required. Announcing the new look of AI Studio 3. 5 ways to improve your B2B sales presentation. It is an example we can create. Let's select our avatar like this or this one and see how's the result. It has also a watermark, you can see, but in here just let's generate to see the result. First sign up with Google. In here it has different things like import PowerPoint, default template, slide background, URL to AI video. You can just copy the URL of some blogs, blog post or anything, and you can also solve with ChatGPT. I'd like to use default template and start making videos about. You can select whatever you like. You can create some things like news in here, generate AI. In here you can select the voice from different languages and different voices. Like this you can test or select. Selecting this one, listening.
Hello, I am the anchor of AI News.
Let's generate. It is processing to be generate for you. You can create some AI news like this, so it is so much helpful for you to create videos. You have to wait few seconds or like a minute to be open. Just you have to wait to be open. You can see another presentation templates in here like yoga, help tips, YouTube and through sample background or another. We are waiting for this one to be complete because creating videos using AI needs a lot more time to be processed, and this time we're gonna use our time.
Enter the title of your YouTube thumbnail. YouTube subscription is a paid subscription service provided by YouTube. Subscribe to YouTube and get the following benefits.
So okay, you can see this. I'll try this one.
Create a brief topic description in no more than 2 sentences. Insert a
You can see different kinds and tips. We are waiting for our videos. First of all, we have need to wait to be just review. Right now it's creating for you. 50% is created, 20. It has need a lot of electricity power, uh, GPU powers, and many more spendings to create an AI, because thousands of users at one time they are using and requesting for
Hello, I am the anchor of AI News. Jonathan, make sure that it is delivered clearly and concisely to the viewers.
but it does not sync with the leap. Let's generate again. After a lot of time waiting, it finally
Hello,
create.
I am the anchor of AI News. Jonathan, make sure that it is delivered clearly and concisely to the viewers.
So you can see and you can download from here. Goodbye for right now. Let's see you on another videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you like to see some videos like this. Goodbye for right now.